Hi everyone, welcome back to How Rose Cook. I know it's been a while, yes, and some of you have been enjoying the Jamaican videos, but we are back to the basic. And for this week, I'm gonna try and incorporate at least one healthy dish. So for today's video, we're gonna be concentrating on lowering our cholesterol. All right, so if you have high cholesterol, this is the video for you. Stay tuned and keep on watching. All right, we're starting off with chicken breast, and we're gonna butterfly the chicken breast, and we're gonna cook it as healthy as possible. All right, so I'm gonna remove the skin, and this one has a bone in it, so I'm gonna debone it, and then we're gonna go ahead and butterfly. All right, this dish really don't need any chicken, you know. It's a nice vegetarian dish, trust me. But I know some of us love our protein, my husband especially. So yeah, let me drop a word for him. I'm gonna go ahead and use that bone part in soup, or you can use it to make chicken broth or stock, whatever. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and we're gonna slice it down the middle. Just a butterfly. This will make it easier to cook faster. And remember not to let it dry out, because when chicken breast is dried out, it don't taste really good. So we're just gonna butterfly the chicken breast just like that. Probably can cut it a little more. Open it up. Place it in our container. Now I'm gonna rinse my chicken. I'm using lemon. You can use vinegar, salt, whatever you have. Go ahead and use it and rinse it, and then we're gonna just pat dry before we add that seasoning. These are the seasoning that we'll be using. I have this rotisserie chicken seasoning, and I'm gonna add some paprika, a little cayenne to give it a little kick, just a little bit, and then we have this garlic and herb seasoning. It has black pepper and sea salt. To the chicken, and you can search the best oil to use when you have high cholesterol. Olive oil is one of the better oil to use, along with a few others. You can do your own research. So here we have the star of the show. We're gonna saute some chickpeas, and we're gonna season it real nice and make it real tasty and delicious. It's very high in fiber, which is good for your cardiovascular health. It also has folate and magnesium, which is also good for your to lower your cholesterol. All right, along with the plantain, which is high in fiber. If you don't have plantain, you can leave it out and just use the chickpea. To saute the chickpeas, I'm using red bell peppers, green bell peppers, whatever colors you have to make your dish look beautiful, go ahead and use it. And I'm also using onion. I'm not using a lot of onion, but use according to your preference. So while the chicken is marinating, we're going to start off with our veggies. I'm just going to add a small amount of olive oil in here just to grease the pan. We're adding a hint of garlic in there for extra flavor. And just give it a couple more minutes, and then we can add our chickpea. Cover it just a little bit so that the veggies can cook. Okay, smells really nice. Adding a little of the same seasoning that we use on the chicken. Now I'm adding in my plantains, and of course I have ripe plantain. If your plantain is not fully ripe, you can just steam it a little or boil it before you add it to the chickpea. So I'm gonna go ahead, sprinkle on a little of the same seasoning that I use on the chicken, and we're just gonna stir fry this. I'm adding in some parsley just to make the plate colorful, and it's not just colorful, trust me, you have to try this dish. It tastes really good. Alright, this is ready. Our pan is well heated and the chicken already has olive oil on it, so don't really need it. So depending on the cut of your chicken breast, it may take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook, or even less, and depending on the size. So you don't want to dry it out too much, and you want to keep it nice and juicy. All right, so dinner is ready. Here we go. Who says eating healthy is not fun? Because this dish tastes really good, and you have to go ahead and give it a try. Just put your little twist on it if you want to. All right, and let me know in the comment section, what else would you like me to use to make a healthy dish? It's quite early in the morning, yes, so I can't eat too much, but I definitely have to taste it on camera, which I already tasted and I know it tastes good. And I would also like to apologize for the background sound. I don't know where it's coming from. That little frying sound that you're hearing, I've gotten a complaint about that. So we're gonna have to just figure out how to remove the background sound from the video and see if we can get some better quality video. All right, thank you for watching. So here's Trelawney. She has gotten big and she'd like to say hi. Say hi. You're helping grandma cook or eat? Which one? Look in the camera. Look up here. Look up here. Yeah, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. I'm gonna help grandma eat today. Smile now. Smile. No?